Colourpop recently launched some new shadow sticks. These are the Colourpop Color Sticks, and this is the metallic kit. So if you would like to see what these shades look like, just keep watching, because in this video I am going to be swatching all of the shades and swatching them on my eyes. I just recently filmed the Colourpop Matte About You kit, so if you'd like to see that, make sure to check down in the description box to find that video, or I'll also post it in the little bubble up top. Let's see how these metallic shadow sticks compare to the matte shadow sticks. I love making these product review videos for you, and I love trying out new makeup. So if you are also into that, make sure you are subscribed. And without further ado, let's get into this video. This is the Metallic Much Color Sticks kit that retails for $40 on the Colourpop website. This kit contains 8 metallic shades. You can also pick them up individually for $6. The only difference between these and the matte color sticks is the finish. One is matte and one's metallic. However, I do feel like the mattes are a little bit more creamy, easier to blend, and better for an all-over eyeshadow color. If you'd like more detail about these color sticks, please watch my previous video on the Colourpop Matte Color Sticks. I'll link it below.
It's our scent.
is it for this look. I just popped on some lashes. I didn't feel like there was much that I could do for like an all over eyeshadow look, because I do feel like these metallic shadow sticks are probably better for using as a liner or putting it underneath the eye. So that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and like it if you enjoyed it. Also, make sure to subscribe if you would like to see more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in another one. Bye!